your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. Check it out. Beneficial and very nice, much needed rainfall rolled through early today. Some spots over an inch and even an inch and a half of rain is estimated for Frankfort and Barberville. We had about a half of an inch in other spots, and a few of us fell just a little bit short between the cracks, between the gaps. We're going to pick up more rain, though, as we head into tomorrow. Right now, things are relatively quiet for pretty much everybody except our friends way down along the southern Kentucky border. They still have a couple of scattered showers and storms. Everybody else getting into a mostly cloudy theme here for us. Our setup, though, stays active as we head into tomorrow. We will see more chances for rain and thunder. The cold front moving to the east, high pressure following behind that, but ever so slightly because this warm front is going to be felt in big way as we head into tomorrow afternoon before the cold front sweeps in behind it to kick up more scattered showers and storms, some of which could be severe. This is our main forecast point. Friday, a level 2 out of 5 risk for scattered severe thunderstorms is going to be possible for all of the Fox 56 viewing area. What that means is that there's a pretty good chance that we see some warnings as these storms initially get going, wind being the biggest threat, but we can't rule out an isolated spin up or some large hail either to go along with the heavy rainfall expected as these storms roll through. What this means is that if you're heading to the LSC versus North Carolina game tomorrow night, 6 p.m., it's going to air right here on Fox. We're going to probably have some issues to deal with in terms of scattered showers and thunderstorms. Could impact the game, could also cause us to have some cut-ins for severe weather if things start to sprout. This is what it's going to look like for timing. This is right now the cold front dropping away. Futurecast is doing okay with seeing how things are going. We start tomorrow partly cloudy to mostly sunny, and most of the day is going to be toasty. But there's that cold front come marching in for us by 3-4 o'clock. A broken line of strong storms slowly working to the southeast as it does. 6, 7, 8 p.m. We're going to see more of those impact not just soccer, but football. Friday nights for high school also going to be dealing with some possible lightning delays and heavy rainfall. This is going to lessen up according to Futurecast by 10, but more storms fill in behind it, and we're going to see a surge of moisture and more heavy rainmakers into early Saturday. The severe threat likely ends after the initial wave. All of this really just the beneficial rainfall that we need. Unfortunately, it's going to try to stick around at least to the early part of Saturday afternoon, and spotty chances linger into Saturday evening. So we will have some rain to deal with throughout a better part of our Saturday. Plenty of dry time in there once it moves on, but hey, we're looking at a ½ inch to an inch plus of rainfall on top of what we already got, and some spots could see higher totals thanks to stronger thunderstorms producing better. Outside of that, it's going to be feeling like summer tomorrow again. Mid to upper 80s, probably feeling closer to 90 plus because our dew points are going to climb as well. We're talking about dew points in the upper 60s to near 70. That's once again that real sticky stuff. At least the cold front is going to take care of that for us because after that 86 hot, humid, and then the storms come through, it's down to barely making 70 on Saturday. Sunday, your nicer day of the weekend, 74, pleasant, cool, and sunny. And that is going to linger into early parts of next week as well. So as we roll through it, a slow, steady climb back to warmer temperatures is in store. This rain, all we get outside of the next 7 days.